Greetings, visionaries, and welcome to a video that holds the keys to your financial freedom. Today we're going to explore a topic that could potentially change your life. We're going to delve into the world of side hustles, but not just any side hustles. We're talking about side hustles that could make you $500 a day in the year 2024. Yes, you heard that right. $500 a day. This isn't about get-rich-quick schemes or empty promises. This is about real practical ways that you can increase your income and achieve financial independence. We'll be revealing 5 lucrative side hustles and shedding light on how you can get started on them today. This video is your roadmap to a future where your financial dreams become a reality. So buckle up as we dive into a world of opportunities that can redefine your earning potential. Before we take this exciting journey, there's a small thing you can do to support us. You see, every like, every subscription, every comment, they all add up. They're not just numbers, they're the fuel that drives us, the wind beneath our wings. They help us reach new heights, connect with new people, and create more content that you love. So go ahead, give that like button a smash, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below. Now that you've done that, let's move on to the first side hustle that can bring you $500 a day. The first side hustle that can significantly boost your income is freelance writing. Yes, you heard it right. If you have a knack for crafting compelling narratives or simplifying complex ideas, freelance writing could be your ticket to making an additional $500 a day by the year 2024. Starting as a freelance writer is as simple as setting up an online portfolio to showcase your work. This can be a personal website or a profile on platforms like LinkedIn or Medium. The key here is to display your writing prowess and versatility to potential clients. Next, you'll want to identify your niche. This could be anything from technology and finance to travel and lifestyle. Specializing in a particular field can help you stand out from the crowd and attract clients who value your expertise. Once you've established your online presence and determined your niche, it's time to start pitching. This involves reaching out to potential clients either directly or through freelance job boards. When pitching, remember to highlight your unique selling proposition. What sets you apart from other writers? This could be your expert knowledge in a specific field, your ability to meet tight deadlines, or your knack for turning complex information into easy-to-understand content. But how do you make this side hustle profitable, you ask? Well, the key to earning a substantial income from freelance writing is to continuously hone your writing skills and stay updated with industry trends. The better your writing, the higher you can charge for your services. Additionally, you can also consider offering related services, such as editing, proofreading, or copywriting, to diversify your income streams. And remember, consistency is key. The more consistently you deliver high-quality content, the more likely you are to retain clients and receive referrals, leading to a steady stream of income. That was the first side hustle. Now let's move on to the next one. The second side hustle that can help you make $500 a day is creating and selling online courses. Yes, you heard right, online courses. You might be thinking, but I'm not an expert at anything. Well, you don't have to be. You just need to know slightly more than someone else and be passionate enough to share that knowledge. So, how do you start? First, you need to identify a topic you're passionate about and knowledgeable in. It could be anything from cooking to coding, from gardening to guitar. The key is to pick something that excites you and that you believe others would be interested in learning. Next, you need to create the course content. This might seem daunting, but it doesn't have to be. There are plenty of resources online that can guide you on how to structure your course, create engaging content, and make it visually appealing. Remember, your course doesn't have to be perfect from the get-go. You can always improve and update it based on feedback from your students. Once your course is ready, it's time to sell it. There are various platforms where you can host and sell your course, such as Udemy, Coursera, or Skillshare. These platforms handle the technical side of things and have a large customer base, but they do take a cut of your earnings. If you're more tech-savvy and want to keep all the profits, you can host your course on your own website. Lastly, you need to market your course. This is where a lot of course creators fall short. You can have the best course in the world, but if nobody knows about it, you won't make any money. So, invest time in learning about marketing strategies like SEO, social media marketing, and email marketing. Remember, creating and selling online courses is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires time, effort, and persistence. But with the right attitude and determination, it's a viable way to make $500 a day. Now that you've learned about the second side hustle, let's move on to the third one. The third side hustle that can help you reach your financial goals is becoming a virtual assistant. In the age of digitalization, many entrepreneurs and businesses are seeking out virtual assistants to manage their daily tasks. This side hustle is not only flexible, but it also offers the opportunity to work from anywhere. Let's break it down into step-by-step instructions. Step 1 is to identify your skill set. Are you good at organizing, managing emails, or perhaps social media? These are all tasks that a virtual assistant may be asked to do. Step 2 is to market your skills. There are numerous online platforms where you can advertise your services, such as Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr. Create a compelling profile that highlights your abilities and experience. Step 3 is all about communication. Once you've landed a client, make sure to establish clear communication channels. This will help you understand their expectations and deliver results effectively. Step 4 is to deliver quality work. Remember, the better the service you provide, the higher the chance of getting more work or referrals. Step 5 is about scaling up. As you gain more experience and confidence, you can start taking on more clients, or even consider specializing in a certain area. Now, how can you make this side hustle profitable? The key is to value your time and work. Don't undersell your services. Also, as you build a steady client base, consider offering package deals or subscriptions to create a consistent income stream. Being a virtual assistant can be a rewarding side hustle. It can provide you with a steady income, flexibility, and the chance to develop new skills. Plus, as businesses continue to embrace remote work, the demand for virtual assistants is only going to grow. We've covered 3 side hustles so far. Now let's move on to the fourth one. The fourth side hustle that can significantly boost your income is freelance content creation. In this digital age, businesses and individuals alike are constantly in need of fresh and engaging content. This could be anything from blog posts, social media updates, newsletters, or even video scripts. So how do you get started with this? First, identify your strengths and interests. Are you particularly good at writing? Or maybe you have a knack for creating engaging social media posts. Once you've pinpointed your strength, start building a portfolio showcasing your work. This could be a personal blog, a social media account, or a collection of sample pieces. Next, start reaching out to potential clients. This could be businesses you admire, bloggers who might need a hand, or even friends who run their own companies. Offer your services and let them know how you can help boost their online presence. Now let's talk about profitability. The great thing about freelance content creation is that you can set your own rates. You might start off charging less to build your client base, but as your portfolio grows and your skills improve, you can increase your rates. Remember, consistency is key in this line of work. Always deliver high-quality work, meet your deadlines, and maintain a professional relationship with your clients. Now that we've covered the fourth side hustle, let's move on to the final one. The final side hustle that can help you make $500 a day is creating and selling online courses. This might sound intimidating at first, but don't worry, it's simpler than you think. The first step is to identify your area of expertise. It could be anything you're passionate about. From painting to programming, if you love it, chances are others will too. Next, you need to create the course. There are plenty of platforms out there, from Udemy to Teachable, that make this process a breeze. Once you've created your course, it's time to market it. Social media, email newsletters, and even word of mouth can be incredibly effective. Remember, the key is to provide value. The more value you provide, the more people will be willing to pay. And there you have it, 5 side hustles that can help you make $500 a day in 2024. Now, it's time to take action and start your journey to financial freedom.